Hi Bowen, welcome to the channel. I think after 2 months I came again. Basically, I'll explain you what happened last 2 months. You all know I got the recovery truck. Then after that, I earned from the truck. I done maybe 8 9 jobs. Then I earned bit money. Then after that, I took it that recovery truck to the auto electrician. Then he will do the nicely lighting all around. I want to make it nice. At the moment that truck held up there nearly 1 month, that's why I didn't do any video. In between I done another nice step. Basically, I made a website for whole UK. What's going on there? One side recovery truck joined to the website, and other side, if someone need a recovery truck, if someone need a mobile mechanic, or if someone need to tow their car, then they can join to the website. I'm going to meet recovery driver or mechanic and the customer. In between, I'm going to take a small commission. That's why at the moment I done last month. Hopefully I can publish that website maybe after 2 weeks period. And also today I got another call. One of my customer said he need to sell his car. Then asked him how much. He said 800. However, I'm going there now. I'm going to check the car and show you what's going on there, because that's why I start this channel from the beginning. Bought the one car for the 200. After that, that 200 I developed until 8,000, 9,000 something. But I'm not stopped from there. Then after that I done my website. I'll spend little bit money for the website also. Well, however, I'm going to show you today. I'm going to spend another 800 pounds and going to buy another car. Then let's go to the car and we'll see what's going on. But I give the small hint before I go there. It's automatic, 2008, and little bit high mileage. We'll see what's going on there. Actually, I am passing my auto electrician shop. Hop in there and we'll have a look what's going on for my truck at the moment, because I left with him nearly 5 weeks. We'll see what's going on there. Right, here's my baby. I want to change that top one beacon. I got the new 4 feet one. This side he already done. See, 1 2 3 4 5 he done for this side. And also need to fix the fob. I think he done it that one also. Yeah, see, I think he will fix another 2 or 3. Yeah, I leave it with him another couple of weeks. Then after that I can get shiny lights all around, and I have a plan to do another 2 working lights here. When I work night time, I can see the behind. Okay, this is the status of the truck at the moment. Then let's go to the my next car. Right, came to the car, got the key, done the payment, got the logbook. You can see tiny scratch mark here. This side also tiny scratch here. I can see good condition of tire, and here tiny scratches because of the age. Can't complain. Tiny bump here. Nice and clean boot. Yes, it has a spare wheel. Right. Again tiny scratches here. This tire also reasonable. Yeah, all 4 tires good. I'm going to start the car. Right, little bit frosty day. Feeling it has a good battery, because one time it start heating, because normally this car has a common problem for the heating. Yeah, it's working. Radio, yeah, radio working. Might be they change the boot lock. This is like all parts. Nice interior. Little bit need to clear up valeting. However, at the moment I'm not interested to do any valeting cleaning. We'll see the mileage. All good. No any funny warning light. Mileage 171,975. little bit high mileage, but normally this is good bull type car, family using car. You can use it high mileage. Normally I saw some cars around 230 40,000, no any problem. We'll see how is the engine bay. I can see some point they change the starter motor. Nice and shiny starter motor there. Oil level also not bad. However, better to do the service. Right, I'm going to do the quick road test, spin around and come back here. Okay, I'm going to take a photo and advertising as it is without doing anything and have a look what's going on. Right, I got the all photos I needed. Then I'm going to do the advert on Facebook tonight and have a look what's going on. If it not, next week around, I'm going to give a nice polish, servicing, and try to resell again. Yeah, okay, leave it with me another couple of weeks. I'll let you know what's the update of this process. Thank you. See you soon.